Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete a Google account. This is when you delete that account, you delete all the all the information of your application signed with this account, like Google Drive, Google Docs, Playstore. All that information is deleted because it's signed with all this information is signed with your Google account. So the first step is go to Playstore, and here in Playstore you need to go to the superior right corner in the bubble of your profile, and here in the bubble of your profile you need to go here in Google Account, and in Google Account you need to go to the options in the down part of your where you got your email. You pick here in the option of data and privacy, and here you need to go down to the last option where it said delete your Google account. You pick here, and after that they need you put your password, you confirm your email of your Google account, and after that you can delete your account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.